This video we're going to go through is the training of the Roger Inspiro. In your case, you will find an audio cord in the center, two different ways of wearing the transmitter, a charging cord, and your transmitter. To turn on the transmitter, you turn it on at the top and wait for the screen to illuminate. This is the microphone which needs to be unraveled from the device. Two ways to wear it. One is a belt clip attached. Then you clip this on your belt clip, on your belt loop, and then the microphone will be placed at your collarbone height in the center. If you'd rather use a lanyard, this just pulls off, and you can use the lanyard, which clips on, and you'd wear it around your neck. And once again, when you attach the microphone, it needs to be at collarbone height in the center. If you need to adjust the length of the lanyard, use the little adjuster down up here to adjust it. If you go and you use the ones at the clip, it can come undone, and it's not fun to get back on. The main function of the Roger transmitter is the mute button. If you press the center, you'll see it's crossed out. That means it's on mute. To deactivate it, you hit it again. When you want to connect to the hearing device, if you have, for instance, a hearing aid with the audio shoe, you'll take the Roger X receiver, attach it. Make sure you have a brand new battery put into the hearing device with the first time use. What you'll want to do is take the battery cover or the sticker off of the battery and let it sit 5 minutes to let all of the air absorb into the battery. It runs off of air and there's tiny little holes, so wait 3 to 5 minutes to let it absorb as much air as possible. When you're ready, you'd open up your battery door on your device, place it in, and shut your battery door. When connecting for the first time, you want to make sure that you are close enough, 3 to 5 inches from the transmitter to that Roger receiver. And when you do, you'll see the connect button. Hit the connect, and it'll say Roger X is connected, and you're ready to go. And you should have transmission when you're talking into the microphone that goes straight to the hearing aid through that receiver. If you happen to have a transmitter that looks like this, same, but the screen looks a little different, it's more of a split screen, this means it can do a Roger function as well as a frequency function. If it has that split, more than likely your student still has a frequency type receiver. Another way to tell is it's a little bit longer and it will have a sticker. That sticker should be the same number as what you see on here. When you do this one and you attach the same way as you do the Roger, when you hit the connect, it's going to give you a prompt, and it's going to say, no Roger device found, set to N80. That is okay because we're not running a Roger, running a frequency. So don't look at that and think that it's not working. It's just saying it's picking up a frequency and not the Roger. The only way to really tell where it doesn't give you a clear cut whether or not it's connected is that the student or you, when you're listening to the device, hear that transmission is happening through that microphone. And to shut off, you press that button. Another thing that you want to do, you have your charger that you'd plug in at the bottom. You can plug it in at the end of the day. Another thing is if you want to hook up to another electronic device, you have your audio cord. And you'll plug your audio cord into the bottom of the device and then into your other electronic device. And when you do that, it automatically shuts off the microphone so nothing is picked up from here, but it's actually transmitting whatever is being played on here to the transmitter that then talks to that receiver. No matter which receiver you have attached, you're getting that transmission. When you unplug this, it should go back and be activated, and now your microphone is working again and talking to that receiver. And that is your Roger Inspiro transmitter.